this next video started. It is finally super beautiful outside. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm hoping everybody's getting a chance to be able to ride. You know, besides the rain that's supposed to come in this weekend, I'm planning on doing quite a bit of riding before I have to leave to go down to what is now called Fort Moore for SLC. So I'm supposed to do the virtual portion starting this Monday on the 6th, so be a good start for that. I'll be gone starting, I think, the 20th. I'll have to double check dates, but gone on the 20th. What is this guy doing? Oh, he's opening cigarettes. But yeah, I'll be gone on the 20th for about 5 weeks, so I'm not even going to be able to ride for like 5 weeks because they don't allow us to ride motorcycles while we're down there, so I can't even take it with me. So, you know, like, it is what it is. It's time to move up in the ranks again, which, you know, I'm looking forward to. Not necessarily the responsibility, which I've already done the responsibility for the rank, but none of the time counted as far as how it was supposed to. So next step is to do this schooling, get the next rank, and then I'll be able to move on up with my time and everything like that. If anybody's been in the military and they know what I mean, talking about the KD time, the key development time. So I've already done that job. As far as me becoming a Sergeant First Class, I've already done the job. I did it for about a year whenever as a staff sergeant, whenever I was stationed out at Fort Campbell. So it's not necessarily going to be anything new to me, but I'll at least be able to get the key development time, and of course I'll be able to collect the pay, which is like the biggest thing, is like the pay. I want the pay. You know, everybody's got to make money. We all got to make the money somehow, and for the Army, this is how the Army gets us to make money, is move up in rank. So do what you're told and get it done. I mean, it is what it is, but like I said, it is riding time. It is currently, the bike says the outside temperature is 86 right now, and I'm telling you right now, it feels great. It feels great. Absolutely amazing. I couldn't be happier to be on the bike. I had to go, like, I'm off work today, but I had to go in because they made me a hurricane relief person or something. If there's a hurricane coming in, I gotta kind of figure out what I'm supposed to do exactly. I'm assuming, you know, stack sandbags in front of the doorways, find the isolated spots for all the trainees to go to, set up guards and everything like that for the arms room if we lose power for more than however many hours. So it's, I don't know, I didn't pick the job, it picked me, I guess, or at least somebody picked me for it. But I think today I'm gonna get back home. It's almost noon now. I'm gonna go ahead and get probably my grass cut. It's kind of due for it. I've still got a lot of work to do as far as getting the lawn that I absolutely want, and everything. It's like my backyard, it still looks a little rough. The front yard's looking good. It still has some spots that I still need to probably rake out again and try to dethatch a lot of it so I can get some more seed down the way it's supposed to be. But as far as how it was whenever I first got it, because they put in dead sod, so it was a bit of a painful ride getting it to the point where it is at now. But it's looking great. This is the first video I'm going to be posting in a while, especially with like talking and everything. I've done a couple of videos of, you know, like just me riding, just no talking, just the pure sound of the bike and all that good stuff. But yeah, like I said, it's a nice day to be out. Like, it's nice enough that I can be on the highway for long periods if I wanted to, and I'm in just this long sleeve shirt. Like, I got my Icon road armor on right now and stuff. That way there is a little bit of protection. I don't have my big jacket like I normally would, just because it's black and there's absolutely no clouds but a handful. So yeah, I'm gonna probably ride mostly in this right here just to feel a little more comfortable, really. Like, the jacket's nice, but yeah, I felt that it was going to be way too hot, and this long sleeve, like, it might not be very much protection on my arms, but you know, like, it's super comfortable, and I really enjoy these shirts. I use them all the time when I go fishing. It blocks the sun from me. I don't have to constantly put sunscreen on. Wind gets through them very, very nicely. It's just, yeah, they're very comfortable. So I felt comfort over protection today, besides the road armor that I got on. My chest right now and my back are cooking a little bit, but the armor that I bought, like, it's just a chest and back armor, so there's no protection on my arms, and it's similar to like a plate carrier or something like that. It's comfortable. I don't mind it at all. So I went ahead and picked this one, you know, and had it sent to the house from Revzilla and everything, and I tried it on and it was super comfortable. So, like, I have no issues riding in it. It is a little warm, but at the end of the day, like, I'm gonna be sweaty and everything anyways, even if I didn't have this on. So the only thing it does is it traps in a little bit more heat than what I would like, but I mean, you know, it's not that big of a deal. I haven't done anything new to the bike. I wiped it down a little bit. Me and my son, I can see the spots on it in the sunlight now, that where my son was wiping it as well. We got that like all-purpose cleaner and everything like that for it. So we wiped it off, kind of degreased it, and then we put another spray on it. I can't remember the name of it, but it's basically kind of like a coating. It just kind of shines it a little bit, makes it look better. But yeah, I haven't posted in a while, so I figured today was a beautiful day. I'm gonna ride the bike in for a bit, and then I'll maybe shoot a video on the way home like this, you know. I stopped, I had to fill up on gas. Like, I've rode, I just didn't record any of the rides, you know. Like, I mean, I did a couple of I did one short video, but I based it off of some of the longer videos I had that, like, I didn't talk in. It was just pure sound and everything like that. I had a guy comment saying that he wanted to see some like higher RPM, so that's what I did. I put a little short video up of some higher RPM pulls and everything, maybe like slight cornering. It wasn't anything major. I wasn't doing anything super sketchy or anything, but yeah, I posted that. I don't know if he was able to see it, if he follows the channel or not, but didn't get very many views on it anyways. And you know, it's not that big of a deal. I would love to grow this channel. I would love to, you know, get it out there. You know, I'm gonna, once I get back from the school now, because apparently that's a thing, that I'm gonna maybe take the GoPro with me. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna attempt to fish while I'm down there. I might, but at the same time, I'm gonna be more focused on the school than anything, you know. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna make that assumption once I get down there as far as fishing and everything, I might take a couple of my rods with me and try to get something going, you know, maybe put my chest rig on and try to catch a few fish if I can. I've pretty much missed all of spawning season with work up here in South Carolina, so I know for a fact down in Georgia it's gonna be the same way. I've already missed, you know, spawning season, so that's that post-spawn point right now. But I mean, we've had fluctuating weather, so there's no telling what is going through the fish's mind right now. Because it gets cold, it gets hot, I don't know. It's just one of those things. But I love to fish, so there's a good possibility I will take some rods with me and I will go fish while I'm down there. Yeah, if anybody's stationed down there or have been stationed down there, drop some names of the ponds or lakes that y'all went to and everything like that, and I'll see if maybe I can't go down there, you know, preferably lakes that y'all had some actual luck at, or lakes that you could tell had potential to be lucky, and I'll go shoot my shot down there. So, you know, drop a comment and let me know. Yeah, but I'm headed home now. Won't be long, and I'll get home, and then I'm gonna, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna cut grass or not. I know it's about that time. Grass is growing from where I've, you know, put the grass seed down and fertilized and everything. Me and my wife and my son, we've gotten out there, we've pulled weeds. I've attempted to spray them and it did nothing. I need to re-spray the bug preventer, like around everything. Like, it's a good thing I got a day off, even though I had to go in, and I still have to go home and still get on the computer and check my emails and everything, because like I said, I'm supposed to be like a hurricane guy, and I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing because they didn't send the attachment that was supposed to be sent out with the email for my specific thing. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Let's see. Let we're clear. Go a little pull to about 65, I think. Rocking third gear. But you can only go so far with traffic in front of you. And like I said, I typically don't tend to ride very crazy or anything like that. I'll weave around a little bit and have a little fun, do a couple of pulls, but yeah, I just enjoy the ride, just feeling the wind and everything like that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut the grass. You'll probably see it on the video. I'll pull up to the house and kind of show the grass a little bit, and while I'm pulling up, that way y'all can see, because I've done quite a bit of work to get my grass as green as it is, and I'm very happy about it. You know, I'm doing that what they call that dad thing. You know, I'm gonna put my jorts on and toss on my New Balances and try and get some yard work done. But I still love this bike. I don't care. Would I like a bigger bike? Yeah, maybe. But at the end of the day, like, I bought this one because I found it for kind of a steal. Like, I didn't have to go get it from a dealership or anything. So guy had it and he was getting rid of it, and I offered him, you know, a certain price, and he said that sounds fair. So we made a deal. I went and didn't think about it. Wore Crocs. Horrible idea, because I didn't even get to test drive it. So I told him, you know, if you can, you know, rip it down the road real quick and, you know, just let me hear it. So he did. But I don't know if the video is going to catch it very well, but you can see it's a lot of yards are dead, and then you got mine starting to get lush and green. But it's about time to get it cut. like I said, I still got quite a bit of work to do, but we're gonna get it done. So like, comment, hit that subscribe button, help me grow this channel, and I'll shoot another one here soon. Y'all be easy.